March 4th, Sunday, the day before my hernia surgery. Wanted to do a couple of things this morning. I'm going to take two different videos for it. The first thing I want to talk about is my e-bike. I've had an opportunity now to have the e-bike out about 4 times. I am reluctant to take it out because I don't want to get hurt. I don't want to fall. I don't want to have anything happen that would jeopardize my surgery. On top of that, my belly isn't feeling that well, so it is what it is. I have taken it out. I've ridden it maybe a couple of miles total. I rode it down to the bicycle shop in Port Charlotte here on Tamiami Trail. I bought a seat for it from them. It was about $35. The seat that was on it was just too, it wasn't good. Cheap seat. And so I bought a more expensive seat, a little more padding, a little wider. I hope it's more comfortable as I get used to it over time. I wanted to do a little bit of an update on the e-bike, and I will say one of the things that I'll notice that you would notice right off the bat is it's heavy. Weighs 60 plus pounds, probably up near 65 pounds, and it's heavy. So it's not the easiest bike to pick up and throw around. It is something you can do. I picked it up and put it in the trunk of my car, for instance, which was a good thing. I'm glad I can transport it in the trunk of the car. That's why I bought it, hoping I could do that. I have to move the handlebars, loosen the handlebars and move them in order to get them into the trunk of the car, but it fits in there just fine. I will be able to carry it when I'm traveling with the car behind the motorhome. That's the biggest reason I bought the thing. It is small. It's a 26-inch bike, but it's small for me. I think I probably ought to have a 28 or 29-inch bike, but I don't think they make e-bikes that size. At least not reasonable e-bikes that size. I think with a couple of different adjustments, for instance, bringing the handlebars up a little bit, and of course adjusting the seat so it's up a little bit. I think those adjustments might make it so I'm more comfortable on the bike. I hope that happens. I'm going to experiment with that after my operation. I don't like the charging system that's on it. In order to charge the bike, you have to have it the whole bike at an electrical outlet so that you can plug in the controller on the bike, and through the controller the battery gets charged. I don't like that system at all. I wish I had a way to be able to charge the battery just alone. And I wish I had a way that I could charge the battery and therefore disconnect the battery off the bicycle and bring it up here by itself and leave the bicycle itself in the trunk of the car. Another thing that I'm going to experiment with when I finally get over this operation. Those are the things right now that I can tell you that I'm a little bit disappointed about. That doesn't feel, it feels small, it's heavy, and it's got to be charged up here in the house in order for me to get electricity to it. Anyway, that's it on the bicycle. I won't be riding it for about 3 weeks, I don't think, 2-3 weeks, because I'll be recovering from my surgery. I don't know how long the incision will need to be babied, but I'll have to baby that incision. Won't be able to ride the bicycle.